Zooshettes, I'm Kitty from Zooshii, and I'm going to show you how to draw a concrete mixer. So, first up what we do is we draw a square. And then a rectangle just beside that. And then another square. And then bring that to join up to make a triangle. And then here, just going to draw an oval, kind of on a lean. And that's just as a guide for the actual mixer at the back. Then we bring curve a line down just like that there. Bring it in slightly more. And then bring it up and curve it up like that. Then bring a little rectangle up there. And another rectangle at the back with a triangle slash square there, square and triangle, therefore where the concrete pours out. Now we'll just give it a bit of a stripe too to add a little bit of texture to the barrel. And then another rectangle there like that. We're going to draw the main part of the cab of the truck, so just follow that down and round it off there and bring it up and across for the window. And give it a little door handle, so just draw a really flat oval for the door handle. And again, we'll just add another oval there for the bumper of the truck and an oval for the light. And then just draw one circle there for a wheel, another circle there, and another circle there. Then just draw another little circle in the middle to finish off the wheels. Great, then what we do is we just grab our black pens and go in and ink in the pencil lines. Then what we do is just go back in and double up the thickness of the main parts of the illustration just to make it look even more cartoony. Then we just wait for the ink to dry. Then we rub out the pencil lines. So there you have it, a cartoon concrete mixer. Happy drawing!